Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford F150 emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a heat gun, some plastic pry tools to protect your paint, and a good adhesive remover. Make sure you have your brand new F150 emblem ready to go. Working in a well-ventilated space is also important for safety and to ensure the best outcome for your project. Let's get started. Now, let's remove that old emblem. Use your heat gun on a low setting to gently warm the emblem. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. Once warm, take your plastic pry tools and carefully work them around the edges of the emblem. Apply steady, even pressure to slowly peel the emblem away from the surface, being very careful not to scratch your truck's paint. With the old emblem off, it's crucial to clean the surface thoroughly. Use your adhesive remover to get rid of any sticky residue left behind. After that, wipe the area down with rubbing alcohol to ensure it's perfectly clean and free of oils, which is vital for the new emblem's adhesive to bond properly. Finally, do a quick test fit of your new emblem to check its alignment. It's time for the final step. Carefully peel the protective backing from your new emblem's adhesive. Align it perfectly with the cleaned area, taking your time to ensure it's straight. Once aligned, press the emblem down firmly for at least 30 seconds to ensure a strong bond. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Allow the adhesive to cure for a full 24 hours before washing your truck to ensure it's securely attached.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.